Hello there, friends. It's Miss Eliza, Children's Librarian at the Waukee Public Library. And this month's online story time is all about books and reading. That's one of our favorite subjects here at the library. So we have a really short rhyme with some motions all about reading a book. It's called Look at This Book. So we're gonna start with our hands together. Can you put them together like this out in front of you? All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this book. And then we'll flip our hands. Here is the cover. This top hand's your cover. Open it wide. Can you open up your book? Great. When you open the cover of a book, what do you find inside, friends? Yeah, the pages of the book, right? So here are the pages hidden inside. Can you wiggle your finger, pages? Good job. And then there are words and pictures. We look and we look, so we're reading our book. And when we're finished, what do you think we do? We close up our book. All right, let's try that all again, friends. Here we go. Let's take a look at this book. Here is the cover. Open it wide. Here are the pages hidden inside. It's got words and pictures. We look and we look. And when we're finished, we close up the book. Let's take a look at this book. Here is the cover. Open it wide. Here are the pages hidden inside. It's got words and pictures. We look and we look. And when we're finished, we close up our book. Great job, friends. Did you know in American Sign Language, the sign for book is just like what we just did. So you've got your two palms together and then you'll open like a book. Book, book, book. We hope that you enjoy these stories and activities all about books, and we would love to see you down at the library to borrow some of your own. Stop by and see us sometime. Bye.